Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss good versus well. When to use good and well. This lesson focuses on a very specific topic, the difference between good and well. This is a topic that often confuses even native English speakers. When someone asks you, "How are you doing?" what do you say? There are two common answers. I'm good, I'm well. Since the answers are often used interchangeably, many learners assume that both words have the same meaning. However, good is an adjective. It is used to describe or modify a noun, which means that it is used to describe or modify a noun. The word well is an adverb. It modifies the verb. Look at this example sentence. The pizza is good. The pizza is well. In these sentences, the pizza is good is the right answer because the word good describes the noun pizza. Here, good is used as an adjective to describe pizza. When you want to describe a noun, you should use the word good. And here, I can sing well. I can sing good. In these sentences, I can sing well is the right answer because sing is a verb and the word well describes the verb sing. When you want to describe a verb, you have to use the word well. When you want to describe a noun, you have to use the word good. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.